What's up, guys? Welcome back to the PvP YouTube channel. Guys, last week we had our 15 LML Duramax on the dyno, bone stock. If you missed that video, we're going to throw up a link so that way you know exactly how much real horsepower your 11 through 16 LML Duramax actually has. Now, this week we outfitted this truck with our D1 HP package. Our goal, the customer's goal, are 100 real horsepower over factory. That's not the max potential of a D1 kit, but that's a perfect horsepower range to keep it at, so that way we're not maxing out the truck. So now, guys, we're gonna put this truck on the dyno with our D1 HP package. Let's actually see if we can achieve 100 real horsepower all in time while keeping the engine in check, keeping our transmission in check, and keeping our fuel pressure at max rail pressure the whole time. It's dyno time, guys. Guys, so right now we just loaded a modified TCM file to the truck. So we're on the dyno. We're going to do a trans relearn. So I'm going to take it up through its gears. Of course, I'm watching the trans temp, the coolant temp, make sure everything stays cool. We're going to go from 3rd to 4th, 5th to 6th. We're going to go light throttle, then we're going to start easing in the throttle. That way we know the transmission is learning the power we're putting through it, and we're not going to slip the clutch. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, guys, so we're coming up on RPMs. We're now fixing to be in 3rd gear. We're going to go to 4th gear. Once we get in 4th gear, we're going to see how the torque converter locks up. We've got this test coming on at 2200 to start and end at 3300. So a real short window of when it's going to do its pull. And that's what we're going to see. We're going to watch the ezlynk, make sure everything stays in check. Alright, we're locked. Foul. Hey, that dyno locked those wheels up. Alright, guys, so we'll throw up a graph for you. So dead on the money, sport economy file went to I think 470, so 100 horse file. So max economy sport file, that's what we loaded to it. Dead on the money. Rail pressure stayed up, and we'll show you that on our ezlynk device. That way you can see that we're not asking too much out of the pump. It can do what we ask out of it. If you're in a scenario you've got to floor the truck, get out on the road. So we just finished up with our D1 HP package on this LML Duramax. Guys, if you joined us last week, then you know this truck did, well, hit the link above so that way you know exactly what 100% bone stock LML Duramax does. Guys, this week we added our D1 HP package to it. The truck did exactly 100 real horsepower to the wheels, so we met our goal of a 470 something real horsepower. It's pretty impressive on a sport economy file. We wanted to put a file for the customer that would deliver economy, and all at the same time he could tow with the truck, being 100% safe for the CP4 pump. We don't want to ask too much out of it. So guys, that's what we did. We know the truck has more in it. We're not after that. So guys, if you've got 11 through 16 LML Duramax and you're looking to add that 100 real horsepower but doing it efficiently and doing it the correct way, guys, reach out to us. You can comment below. Guys, also we've got it on the dyno, but if you'd like to see a different type of test done with these trucks, maybe hooking it to the trailer, and you want to see how this truck does of just actually pulling, guys, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We try to meet your guys' need of whatever you want to see, but at the same time putting a truck in a real life situation. So guys, again, reach out to us for our D1 HP package or any of our packages, you can reach out to us on the website or comment below. We'll see you next time on the PvP YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, all of our social media.